In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a news article for your school. In the manual from Idea Bank, I am on page 29. Creating articles starts there, so I'm going to go through pages 29 and page 30 with you to create that news article. So go ahead and log into the Gears website, locate your school, and open that. When you open your school, you're going to look for the news container and click on that. Then once the news container is open, one thing you can do is actually minimize the tree over here by clicking this, and that gives you a little bit more screen to work with. Once you're in the news article section, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find the current articles that you have already on your website. You're going to click New Article. So the first thing you're going to do is add an article title. This should be a short. Obviously, you have a character limit over here, so it should be short and kind of explain what the article is about, and a short summary. So again, your title should be short. You do have a 70 character limit in the title. The summary, again, is going to summarize the information contained in the title or in the article, and you have a 155 character limit here. Then you're going to scroll down, and this is where the content of your article is going to go. Now you can copy and paste this from another source if you want to, or you can simply type in your article right here in the content area. So I've copied some text from another location. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here. And then your article is there. So again, you can type right in this area, or you can copy and paste from another source destination. Either way will work. If you scroll down a little further on this page, you will see that you have an option to put in some keywords. This will help people find, search for and find the article quicker. You will also see what it will look like in Google search results. So if you notice anything off here, you may want to go back and edit your title or the summary. Now remember, as you're working in Gears, you will want to be sure that you save. So we'll go ahead and save now. Another thing that you have to go along with each article is a place for an image, and you can find that if we go back to the manual, you will actually find the image, how to add a photo to your article, on page 31 of the manual. So I'm going to go through those steps now. Because most of these articles need to have a photo that goes along with it. So to find an image for your article, you are going to go to the template variables. This image that we're putting on top of the article will appear at the top of the article. So under template variables, you're going to click page attributes, and here is where your image goes. Now, according to our directions here, we need to resize these images. The images for this section should be a horizontal image. So if it's a portrait image, one that's taken, that's tall top to bottom, you can't use that for this article. It's got to be a horizontal image. It needs to be resized to 864 pixels wide by no more than 500 pixels high. And remember, there was some image resizing guidelines on page 36 of the manual. Remember that horizontal images are essential for this space. Vertical images will not look good, so if you have a vertical image, it's best not to even put it in. Horizontal images are a must here. Images are sized automatically for these pages, so you don't need to mess with alignment or percentage widths, which we'll look at in just a minute. So how can you tell the dimensions of your image? Well, if you have your images loaded on your computer, you can simply just click on one of the images and you will see the dimensions right down here at the bottom. So we can see that this image, 448 by 336, doesn't meet our image size requirements. So we would need to resize that in order to be able to use that. So you can click on any image that you have and see the dimensions located at the bottom of the image viewer. All right, back to Gears. So we are on the page attributes template variables section. We need to now upload an image for use in this article. So I'm going to click here to browse. Remember, you do not add images to this area here. You each have a folder for your school and for your images, so you need to first select that folder, find the images folder, and then this is for a news article. So this is where I want those images to go. So to upload the image, I'm going to select the Upload Files option. I'm going to choose a file, And I have already previously resized an image for use here, and it's right here. So I'm going to get that up there, and then I'm going to say upload. And once it says upload successful, I can go ahead and close that. And then I'm going to go ahead and select that image. That's this one right here. And I'm going to click OK. And that's all I need to do to get that image associated with that article. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now we've got our article written, and we've got our image associated with the article. In the next video, I'm going to go through the publishing information, the steps that you need to do to actually get it live on your site. Because remember, right now, this is in the unpublished status, so we can go ahead and continue working on this and editing this, and it's not live yet on the site. In the next video, I will go through the publishing information.